This video is a step-by-step guide that can help you to invest your first $10 in cryptocurrency. So if you are someone who have been thinking about investing in crypto and all that, but you are sometimes scared, this video is going to help you to use $10 to invest in cryptocurrency without getting any loss at all. So let's get started. First thing you need is to have a Binance account. So you need to go to Google Play Store and download Binance account, or you can use the link in the description below to create an account with Binance. So after that, the next thing you do is to have money in your mobile money wallet. Now, if you're finding it difficult to create your Binance account and all that, I did a video about that already. So you can search Update and Finance Binance account and you'll see the video showing up. So that video will help you to actually create a Binance account and get verified successfully. So now that you have Binance account and you also have money in your mobile money wallet, the next thing to do is to open your Binance account. So if you come on Binance, if you're a beginner, just search for Binance on Google Play Store or App Store. So you see this logo, check the logo well, and you also check the reviews and you know which one is the best, because there are some apps which are also there that can lead you to other places. So the best thing to do is to use the link in the description and simply create a Binance account. So if I open the Binance account now, this is how it will look like. So right now, let's say you are new on Binance and you don't have any money inside and all that. This is how exactly it will be like. So this is how it will be like. So the next thing to do is to come here and tap on P2P. If you're a complete beginner, I want you to pay attention to this side. P2P is the most important thing you need to know, because you just want to do a trial and make some investment into crypto. You don't want to trade, you don't want to do any other thing. So right now, the best thing to do is to pay attention to Binance P2P, because that's where you can actually use to transfer money from your mobile money to your Binance account. So let's tap on the P2P. So right now, if you tap on the P2P, there are two options here. We have buy, this is buy, and this is sell. Now, the buy is the green ones. Anytime, if you have forgotten, anytime you have seen these green things on the dashboard, that's buy. And then if you are seeing the red ones, is sell. These ones, this is sell. But because we are new, we want to pay attention to buy. So we want to buy cryptocurrency. So what we will basically be buying now is not Bitcoin, even though cryptocurrency is more about Bitcoin and all that, but we are not going to buy Bitcoin because we don't want to lose any money. So we want to buy what we call USDT. So USDT is just equivalent to dollar. So one USDT is equal to $1. So right now I'm going to buy from this guy because he's accepting MTN mobile money and I also have MTN mobile money. So I'll just tap on buy. So let's go. So I've tapped on buy and I have to put in the amount that I want to buy. So I want to buy 130 Ghana cedis. Okay, so 130 cedis will be equal to $10. So I'll just come here and tap on buy. So after tapping on buy, they'll say I should make payment. But sometimes some people will tell you to allow cash out for them to withdraw the money. So I'll go here and see if, so he said I should allow cash out. So I'll just come here and give him my number. So let me tap my number here. Okay, so right now I've sent my number to him and I'll tell him cash out allowed. Okay, so I'll tell him cash out allowed. So I'll go back to my MTN Momo and allow cash out. So let me quickly do that, guys. So option 4 and okay, so now cash out is allowed. So I'm waiting for the guy to do what? I'm coming. Okay, so I'm waiting for the guy to what, send me the prompt so that I will just approve the prompt. So anytime I approve, automatically it will show at his end that what, the cash out is allowed. So right now, have you seen that the prompt has come? So now the prompt has come. So the next thing to do is to just approve. I'll just approve it. So okay, so now I've sent the money to him, because since I've allowed cash out there, the money has gone to him. So now I'll just come here and tap on make payment. Right now the payment is made. So the next thing to wait for is to see the amount reflect in my Binance wallet. So I'll go back and see if the amount, the money has reflected. So I'll go to, I'll go to wallet. I'll go to wallet and see if the money has come yet. So for now, okay, so now the money has come. So you can see it here, $10, 03 cents. So basically, you know, that's how you can invest in cryptocurrency. Now, if you see here, you see that the $10 has shown here. That's USDT. So the USDT is the same as the dollar. Now, how, if you don't know how to trade cryptocurrency and all that, so how can you use this strategy to make money? The way you can use the strategy to be earning some passive income is that all the time the dollar has been going up. So even if you have a dollar, some people, the business they do here is like to just hold the dollar. So if they hold the dollar, they believe that dollar goes up all the time, so it will go in their favor. So that's the investment some people have been doing. So the same thing, no, you can also hold the USDT and you'll be what, enjoying the benefit that comes with it. So basically, this is how you can invest your $10 if you're someone who is complete to cryptocurrency. As time goes on, I will do a full video that can help you step by step, so that you and I can know more about cryptocurrency. I believe this video has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more helpful videos. As usual, if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below, because I'll answer you. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Update and Finance.